Oh, oh, did you see that? That was like 10 lightnings in a row. Guys, that's just crazy. I'm even afraid now. Oh, it's the Ukrainian neighbor. Сука, иди к черту, блядь. Нахуй. What was I saying? That's exactly what I would have did. God dear. Never seen something like this in my life. Holy shit. You can no longer see that building. What the fuck? Oh, it's hail. What the fuck? Wow, that's hail. Holy shit. Look at the lightings. Like every second there are multiple lightings. Holy shit. Bro, the lightnings. Wow. Holy shit. That's crazy. Wow, never seen something like that before. The goddamn global warming. Ah, damn. Oh, there's a light. Wow. Holy shit. Check this shit out. There are like 5 lightnings every second. Whoa. Holy shit. What? Bro, this is the craziest storm I've ever seen in my life. Holy. Look at the lightnings though. Jesus Christ. Holy. Guys, that's just crazy. I'm even afraid now to be lightning struck. Jesus. That is just insane. Wow. That is just insane. There are like 5-10 lightnings per second. Never seen something like this. Gee, that's mad. Cause wow. It's just not stopping. It's just going. It just keeps going. Look at the lightnings. Wow. I'm literally flabbergasted. Never seen this amount of lightnings per second, like. Oh, there are more lights now. Over there on that building. Ah, you can see somebody like just pacing through the room. What? Wow. That's mad. Can hear car alarms. Wow. Oh damn. A lightning city. So. Boże mój. Wow. It doesn't even look real, like this looks like special effects, but it's not. It's literally like 5 lightnings a second. This is madness. Wow. I just hope we don't get lightning struck, because I'm literally at my window, the window open. But holy shit, man. Check it out. It just keeps going. Whoa. This is like 5 minutes ago. I've got an alert on my phone. They were damn right. Trying to get my phone, but I don't see it. I don't have it anymore. God damn, bro, that's a serious storm. God damn. There was hail for some seconds, like for a minute or two. It was like hitting this AC unit. But I guess now it's just rain. Wow. Thunderstorm. We should play an AC/DC song. This weather, kinda crazy. Ah, damn. Look at the lightnings though. Still going strong. Wow. The building over there. I can't see the pacing guy anymore, but it doesn't show signs of stopping. Shell lightnings. Wow, bro, this is crazy, bro. Holy. This is the amount of lightnings. Like, there's been like hundreds of lightnings so far in like 10 minutes. God damn. And it just keeps going. Wow. Like a disco party. Like I'm in a club or something. Bro, ain't no way. Wow. Thunderstruck. Look at the speed of the rain though. It's like very windy as well. Like a full storm. Full thunderstorm. With hail and shit. The wind blowing. The lightnings just keep going. Wow. Hope we don't get hit. I don't think that's how it works, right? Like if I'm at the lower level, they can't hit me, I guess. But I'm no meteorologist, so let's just hope we don't get hit. Holy shit, I'm getting wet now. The rain just keeps blowing inside as the wind changes the trajectory. But god damn! God damn! Goddamn lightnings, man! Whoa. Intense. It's like ASMR. If I shut it up, but I kinda ruined it for you. Oh, somebody turn on the lights here. Oh, again. Must be a hallway or something. Oh, another light. Holy shit! Now it's blowing inside. God damn. Let's check it real quick. Yeah, you can see it's blowing inside. Hell yeah, bro. Am I really like reviewing a thunderstorm? Am I sane? Guys, I can't be sane. Oh, look at the wind though. Wow. This is just like, this kind of Instagrammable, guys. Like, you could make a good aesthetic reel out of this shit. Not gonna lie. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do actually. Maybe I'm just gonna do an aesthetic reel. Of course, just with a song or something. Like, I'm gonna cut my stupid voice out of it. But for the record, this looks kind of cool, not gonna lie. And with the lights and stuff, like, holy, bro, the lightnings, god damn. Polyglot abroad, reporting on duty. The weatherman, he's real. Is that him, guys? That's me. I'm him. I'm a meteorologist today. Meteorologist? No, that's like the meteorologist. The lights, 3 lights, thunder lights in the thunderstorm. Bro, I feel like I'm on a goddamn ship or something, like in the middle of the ocean. Like, wind just blowing from all directions in my face with the water and shit, like the water drops and all the lightnings and shit. with those added like trees blown by the wind. Wow, it's just a vibe, guys. It is just a vibe. Like, it's kind of cool. Oh, actually, like now you can see the building. Wow, now you can actually see the whole building. Like some minutes ago you couldn't see shit. Like it was so oh my god, guys, Jesus. Like it was like the rain was so bad that you couldn't see that building. I mean, we're watching the same video. Like, shut the fuck up already, dude. What the fuck? Somebody saying something over there. See, I'll figure out what's she saying. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Trying to. Oh, it's the Ukrainian. It's the Ukrainian neighbor. Сука, иди к черту, блядь. Нахуй, пиздец. Ты шлюха, блядь. She's talking too loud, man. She's always yelling. Иди в Украину, блядь. Those Ukrainian neighbors are fucking crazy, bro. They're hardcore. But holy man, it's still going, like 15 minutes and it's still going, the lightnings. God damn. Are you enjoying this, like this storm review or what? Is it entertaining or what? Check out those goddamn lightnings and this goddamn building. Bro, this is just looks so aesthetic in 4K, doesn't it? And in 60p. Like this shit just, god damn. Bro, this looks just so nice. Ain't it? Ain't it? God damn, with that communist ass building. Communist ass looking building. Bro, I should stop shaking the goddamn camera though. But not for real, man. Like, this is just some aesthetic shit right there. Oh, the lightnings. Guys, this is just, god damn, it's still going though. Holy. But now it looks just so much better because you can see that old communist building. Oh, did you see that? That was like 10 lightnings in a row and it kind of like lit up the whole. Oh my god, guys, this has to be like the best storm review ever. Like, this is just, nah, man, this has to be the greatest storm review ever. Has anybody that did this before? Like, can I even spell? Has anybody done this before on the internet, guys? I don't think so. Excuse my English though, because it's not my first language, obviously. But still, this is just on spot, like A1 content right here. Reporting on duty, polyglot abroad. I'm reporting on duty from Bucharest, Romania, guys. Romania kara polyglot abroad desu. Right here, on the spot, in the middle of a goddamn tornado, goddamn storm. Check it out. Still going strong. Wow. But they were on point with the like those warnings I got on my phone. I got some like 3 warnings in a row, just like maybe like 10 minutes at best before all this started happening. Like, you should really listen to those warnings, guys. Have them on your phone, like those issued by the government. Like, the government will just send, I mean, those guys with the meteorologists, you know, they will send you a warning when shit's going down, like when shit's about to go down, actually, because it's like some good minutes before, right? Wow, look at them lightnings though. Wow, guys, still going. Thunderstruck, yeah, baby, Thunderstruck. He's the best voiceover you've ever heard. Ain't it? Hope nobody's listening to what the fuck am I saying right now. They may be. I don't know if there's somebody. There may be somebody like just above or just below, just listening to this crazy motherfucker just talking to himself, I guess. Holy, that's just intense. Wow, look at the shade on that building, like when the lightning strikes from in front, like from behind me, kind of, when it lights up like the whole face of the building, because right now the lightning's kind of struck like from behind, but when it does from the front, like it looks kind of cool in it. I guess, bro, I guess it looks kind of aesthetic. 20 minutes in, guys, it's still going strong as fuck. God damn. The rain kind of like fell off a bit, but the lightning's still going. Maybe it's because the storm is moving like towards the back of that building, because that looks to be like the epicenter of the lightnings now. Kind of. Oh, check it out! You see that? You see that? How the facade of that building just lit up? Wow. This is like some Resident Evil shit. Not gonna lie. It's just like I don't know, some end of the world type of shit, like koniec świata type of shit. No, right? Like moje polskie viewers will understand. Oh, god damn, man! God damn! They're back at it. They're going strong. The thunder, the lightning. Whoa! Check it out. Now you can actually see some of those clouds. Like, check it out. Check it out. How fast they're moving. They're like blown by the wind. Wow! Just crazy. Okay, it's starting again to rain. Kinda. Whoa! You see that? You see that? God damn! When the facade of this building lit up, like, wow. Check it out, check it out. Wow. It's lit. She's lit. Bro, this is the best thunderstorm I've ever seen, basically. Whoa. God damn, bro. God damn. This is just, nah, this is A1. This is S tier, like legendary tier. Legendary tornado storm pool, I'd say. Literally, like, do you get me, guys? Do you get what I'm trying to get at? Like, wow, guys, this is insane. Like, it just looks so cool. I love thunderstorms, but this one is just S tier, like God tier. Never seen something like this in my life. I'm telling you. Can you feel me, guys? God damn, bro. The goddamn ambulance in the background. Like, oh, it will pass through there. It will pass. Can you see it? Can you see it? Did it pass? Bro, I think it passed. But I don't think I don't know if I got it on camera though. But yeah, haven't seen a bigger thunderstorm in my life. I swear. Like, this thing just, oh, do you see the lighting? Holy, that lightning was kind of sharp, kind of crisp. And now there are no more lights on that building though. Like, did the people just like go to sleep or something? Like, well, I've seen this before. It's like a skips line from regular show. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Just some regular show reference. You know what I'm saying? But nah, bro, this is like, I've just gotta review this like thunderstorm, because this is real. Like, this is just something you don't see every day. Am I right? Am I right or not? Wow, it's just like a god tier thunderstorm, not gonna lie. The lightnings and shit, the wind, the hail, although it lasted for like a minute or two, the hail, but I saw that. I don't know if I caught it on camera though. Oh, what's going on? The hell? There was some weird car noise. Well, lightning still going. Still raining. What else? Are there people on the street? I highly doubt it, but can you see it actually? There's a street in front of my block here in Bucharest, Romania. Oh, it's coming back, it's coming back. Oh, there's a car. Where are you going, brother? Where is this? Oh shit, no, it's not focusing, guys. Oh, now it's focusing. You see that car? I think I got the motherfucking mosquito on my back. Jesus Christ, man. This is just so intense. What an... oh my god, guys. Just god level here. The sounds. Like the sounds of the thunder, man. Wow. Should just be like a storm chase or something. God damn, shit's so intense. I love it. I love it. Whoa, did you see that? God damn, bro. God damn. What the sigma was that? Big ass lightning. The lightning's still going pretty strong. God damn strong. And yeah. Wow. Now, have you seen, like, let me know if you have ever seen a better storm than this one. I'll wait, but I highly doubt it. Like the amount of lightnings, bro. The amount of lightning is just crazy. It just keeps going like for the past 30 minutes. Like that's half an hour already. Did you know that 30 minutes it's equal to half an hour? Did you know that? You just find out that. You just find out right now. Whoa. That little cloud moving over that building. Wow, it's just so aesthetic, guys. I'm gonna make the hell out of a reel out of this footage. Not gonna lie. Also, holy shit. What was I saying? That's exactly what I would have did. That's exactly what I would have did right there. But what I was saying is that have you ever seen like such a thunderstorm before? Because I don't remember seeing such a thunderstorm before. She just lit, literally lit. Now we can see like those like lightnings kind of dozed a bit, kind of stopped. There aren't that many, no more. So maybe, yeah, maybe this was the storm review. Maybe this was the storm review. Will I ever post this video? Probably not, because it's goddamn trash. But I might. Not gonna lie, I might. So yeah. Holy, still going though. Still going strong. My focus is okay. Whoa. God damn. Still going strong, actually. But yeah, it's kind of dying out. Or isn't. Or is it? Visual's music playing in the background. Nah, just kidding. But for real, like, isn't it the best thunderstorm you've ever seen? Or is it? Nah, I'm just messing with you. But I mean, I don't know, guys. It's like 30 minutes and still going like this is definitely like the most epic one I've ever seen. It's been like what, like 2 weeks. It's been like full heat wave, like 35, 39 degrees straight in Bucharest, and it's only like what, June? Are we in June right now? I guess we're in June right now. So yeah, like beginning of June, like what was that, like 19? No, that's too far, like 15 something, I don't know, guys. You see the date I upload this video, but yeah, after all this heat, this is like the best. Oh yeah, this is the best thunderstorm I've ever seen. So let me get back a bit, and I don't know if I'm gonna actually, oh, check it out, that's me, that's a polyglot abroad, guys. So yeah, this is the storm review, the random ass storm review of the day. This storm was like crazy. I love the aesthetic of the storm, but this one was like the best of the best. Like the lightning, coastal lightning, like it felt like it was a nightclub just everywhere. And like the hail, the wind, the trees, those communist blocks in the distance, like that one, how it just like disappeared, and all the hail and stuff, like I just love it. So thank you for watching this storm review. If you want more storm reviews, this is not a storm review channel, this is just a random ass vlog. Yeah, the lightnings are still going actually. Let me show you. Can I show? Yeah, you can see that. So anyways, storm review, best storm review ever. Would you reckon? See you another time, another day, another dollar. You know, I need a dollar. So bye.